feeling retro.
Hey retro lovers, I've got a bit of a different video here for you on the channel today. I'm in a market called Yonsang, which is in South Korea, in Seoul. And I've come to check out some of the vintage and retro electronics that they sell. And some of the electronics I've seen here, I've never heard of these names. They're completely different to the Western world. This is a repair shop for vintage electronics. And here they have Revox. This is an FM radio tuner. Digital synthesizer. Wow. That station selector looks very cool. And then at the bottom, another synthesizer, and this is by Studer. Comment below if you've heard of these brands before and where they're from, because I've never seen these in England. Wow. Technic stereo receiver. Integrated amplifiers. Again, I've never heard of this brand. Sony Dolby Pro Logic Surround. 안녕하세요. 이거 좋아해요. 영국에서 소니 있어요.
아, 그래요?
이 집에서 소니 있어요. 와우, 대박. Oh, second over space here. Teak, look at this. Model C3 Dolby system. Wow. Marantz FM AM tuner ST54. Luxman. 감사합니다. This store is called Myongmun Chongcha. There it says it in English, Myongmun. A previous video I made the top 5 places to buy retro electronics. And if you're ever in South Korea, you know to come to Yonsang Electronics Market. And there's also another place that sells vintage electronics here called Dongmyo. And everything they sell there is second hand, and I've seen towers and towers of radios, DVD players, VHS players. So I'll be making a video of me checking out all the retro electronics there, so make sure you subscribe for that. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, and if you're not already subscribed, click the red button and turn on the bell. Me and Tom upload videos every Friday evening, specifically about retro electronics.
Much less rare. As soon as you lift up this camera, it feels like a camera that's 20 years old. Just brilliant. Above that we've got a small square aux button. Specialises in professional and consumer home cinema and audio equipment, and they're well known for their high-end products. Today you might get a little reflection of either myself or my dining room. As I mentioned a little earlier, our Bayer brand CD50 is faulty. We included it here today at the start to show you what the more completed stack look like.